Chelsea, and I'm finally so happy to be back with another video. It feels like I haven't filmed in forever, and the last vlog was really Vlogmas, so that was a while ago. But as you can see from my room, which I think you got a good enough shot in the intro, I need to spring clean, okay? But yes, I cannot call myself an influencer and have a room that is still decorated for Christmas and is just filthy in general. So that's what we're going to be doing in this vlog, and just other fun spring things, trying to get my life together, even though I know it's May. So let's first take down all these old decorations and get cleaning. Sorry again for the atrocious lighting. I may just need a giant ring light. You know what? It may just be that time. Okay, let's get this down. Yeah. I want to swing. Ah, dang it. Well, got it. Okay, people might be wondering what this is. It is my marble coffee table from the vlog. And obviously it is solid marble. I might actually switch this out for the nightstand though. Let's get rid of this actually. Luckily it's very easily removable. Okay, actually I need to, sorry guys. Let me just dump all this stuff on the ground first. Oh man, that's on there. Ooh. Yeah. Ah, poster putty. That's good stuff. Okay, now this is looking a lot better. We basically have a blank slate. I just put all my ornaments in this cute little box, and now I need to start getting to cleaning once I put all these away in storage. Okay, now cleaning supplies. You're not going to believe this, but I'm only going to need 2 things to make this place spotless, okay? First, mini vacuum, handheld vacuum. I don't even need the full size, just the handheld is going to be fine with me. And the second thing is this bread sponge. And probably soap or something. We'll see, but I think this bread sponge knows what it's doing. Now for vacuuming, we really need to just start over here because, as you can see, that's just a pile of glitter, which, if you remember from the winter makeover video, yes, it was just loose glitter on a piece of paper, and so of course this happened. This vacuum should do the trick. Also super dusty in the corners, so I gotta get the edges. And of course, this top of my closet is just so dusty and gross. Okay, I don't want to be too gross, but look at how much dust was in my tiny room. Bam. Like, what is that? Okay, I better put this in the trash. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, my room has never been this clean, and I don't even think I need the bread sponge. So I feel like I shouldn't traumatize this bread for no reason if my room's already clean, so I think I'm done. And because I've already accomplished so much in one morning, let's get some coffee. Okay, I'm back. Back to the makeover. I do want to replace my nightstand with that marble table, so I'm gonna have that brought in. It's so heavy, so I'm gonna get a little help. Perfect. This piece right here I think is really gonna transform my room because I think I want more of like a white modern look. I might still keep my same colorful bedspread though, because I do want a little bit of color. I don't want it too serious. So I feel like I need to put some cute stuff on here. So this is actually a perfume I've been loving. To be completely honest, my grandma gave this to me. But she smells great and I do love this. So I just tied a tiny little bow around it to be cute. I might remove it though if it just doesn't fit. Put that right here. I think that's cute. I don't want to do too much, obviously, but I do want to add more stuff. Maybe an alarm clock or something. Okay, for the bedding, for now, I'm just going to stick with the one I had before. but I'm gonna flip it over so the green side is out. And the pillows, I think I might leave more minimalistic like this. Maybe I'll add this one. And then I might as well add my bunny slippers also. I'm gonna put it at the end of my bed where there's more room.
Okay, now I'm actually gonna head out and do some shopping, mainly looking for decor. I definitely gonna go to Michael's just to see if there's anything. Aunt Sam needs to pick up some craft supplies. Ooh, and I also want to make sure to go to a plant store because I really do want to put a plant somewhere in my room and just add that like fresh vibrance. So, yeah, see you all there. So soft. Okay, I guess I'm in the artwork section. Oh my gosh, I think I see the one. Cut the camera, no peeking.
Okay, I'm here at the plant store and I really think I want a monstera plant, and I love the pots too. Like, I just want like a simple white pot like these, and I think I'm gonna go with the monstera because the shape I just love. Obviously these are way too big to go in my room, so I'm gonna go ask if they have smaller ones. Okay, here is the plant in the mini size I was able to get. And it's just, I mean, so gorgeous. I think it'll go with the green in my room. I'm gonna put it right in this corner. Not fully set, but I mean, I think it's an obvious place to go. Now, all I have to do is remember to water it. And it'll look great. Maybe I should have gotten the fake one. The next piece of decor I picked up for my nightstand is this little speckled vase. Now, I'll be completely honest, this was one of those things that looked a certain way online and arrived looking just a little different, but it's still cute, so I'm going to put it over here. But wait for it, guys, you really are not ready. Time for the feather. Now look at that. Like, I don't know. I just love it. I don't know. I love it. Okay, the next thing I picked up is from IKEA, and it's this little alarm clock. I don't think I'm going to be using it for alarms since that stresses me out, but it's just a nice digital clock. And luckily, I've already set it to the perfect time, and it wasn't difficult at all. There's no instructions, there's only 2 buttons, and my hands are too big to press them! Ah! Okay, so I also ordered like a full-length mirror for my room. I'm not sure when it's supposed to come. I think sometime today. Oh my gosh, that might be it. Okay, my room's kind of small, so I'm just opening it over here. Pretty sure this is my mirror. Let's see. Ooh, it's a box. Ooh, okay, here it is. And the little stand. Okay, at first I thought I got scammed because this feels like cardboard, but I have to peel something. Ooh, that's satisfying. Hi. Okay, now just fit this in here. Oh my goodness. You can see me and the rest of this messy room. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it right here. Bam, 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 bam. I'm just kidding, you can't see me. Let's see if I can get a good shot of me. Okay, not really. Can't really see me from this point of view. I don't know about that. Yeah. It is a tiny bit shorter than me, so that's not great, but at least it gets the outfit for those OOTDs. Okay, I'm very happy with this purchase. Now, the last thing I'm going to add is some wall art that I did tease while I was at the store because I just saw the perfect one. So, let's bring it out. Ta-da! This this I just thought was perfect. It's just like line art of a panda. And I don't know, I thought it was just like very modern and simple. Okay, I think I like it right over here, not directly above my bed. Only because when you first walk in, I think it's just a little bit more obvious and it's a really big space to cover. So maybe I'll get more wall art in the future, but for now, I think I'm going to just stick with this. And isn't that wooden frame like so nice? It just came with it, like it's a canvas with a frame.
Okay, sorry if I've been jumping around a ton this vlog, but I did want to do a quick little segment on my favorites for May. So these are just like the favorite products I'm loving, food, music. I just thought I'd want to share. And for the record, none of this is sponsored. Definitely listen, it's my genuine opinion. Okay, I guess this first favorite you could put in the style accessories category are these gummy bear earrings. They have little gold hoops on them and they're just kind of this reddish pink gummy bear, which is my favorite flavor. And they're just, I don't know, the cutest things ever. I totally should have worn them in the whole video. I don't know why I didn't, but might as well keep it consistent. Next is this bucket hat that I've had for a while, but only recently just started wearing it a ton. And I honestly want like a crochet bucket hat. I don't know if those are out, but let me know if you want to see me make one like in a video. It would probably be a disaster because I'm not really crafty, but yeah, it might be fun. Okay, now in kind of the beauty category, I have this Summer Fridays lip gloss, which I don't know if you've been on TikTok, you've seen it because it is just so viral on there. And I hate to say it, but it is so worth the hype. Yes, it was $24 for this small thing, but I got the pink sugar flavor and it just, to me, tastes like cake batter or like cookies. And you know I have a sweet tooth, so I don't leave the house without it, and it's really just like comforted me in my times of need. Okay, next is this little freckle pen. Fake freckles were like a really popular trend last year, or maybe it was before that, but I am still on that train. Like, I want to put my freckles on every day just to feel cute, and especially with hot bear summer coming up, like, I do like to look like I just went to the beach, put on a ton of blush and freckles, and I don't know, it just makes me feel pretty. Okay, now for the music category, I've honestly been really getting into the chipettes, and I know people don't take them seriously because they're like singing chipmunks or whatever, but like their songs, like the music is so good. I especially like their cover of Trouble by Pink, I believe. Okay, now for the food and restaurant category, you guys are gonna judge me so hard, I feel like, but like I'm done putting up a front and I'm ready to speak my truth, okay? I love Carl's Jr. I said it. I like their chicken tenders. They're really good. And I don't eat it a ton. I just love it. I love Carl, okay? Oh, another thing is people are always commenting like, wow, Chelsea, you're glowing. Why are you looking so good? How does your skin just look so smooth? And the secret is literally just Aveeno. And I have this giant bottle just because I use it so much. I put it all over my body after every shower, and that is how my skin is just always radiant and hydrated. Okay, now I know this is probably something I should have done in the cleaning section when my room was like more empty, but I finally have to address my closet, okay? So as you can see, it's pretty empty, just some shoes, a dress, and a onesie. But we need to completely revamp this for spring, so this onesie has got to go. And these sandals definitely need a dusting because I just have not worn them in forever. Let's see what else we have in there. Okay, sneakers. Oh, an old candy cane. Wonderful. I don't even know what that is. It just looks like an old cut up sock. Okay, I moved it over here so we could see it better and vacuumed the floor. But now I just left the butterfly dress in there still since that fits the theme. Okay, so now I'm just going to put in all of my springy pieces. So here's a dress I really like. And I managed to even fit this skirt on this hanger, which this is just the wrong hanger for that, but I really love this skirt. Silky pink. Now to move on to some of the tops, I really love this puffed sleeve blue, kind of turquoise top. And then there's this beautiful crochet top. All of these will be linked in the description box, like where I got them, if they're still for sale, or a video on how to make them. And lastly, this is another just cute tank top. It is breaking though, so that's unfortunate, but I'll still try to wear it. And there we go! I mean, I feel like it's just so much better by looking at it. Like, the colors are so bright and springy. So I'm gonna put this in the proper place. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to add the shoes back. Okay, so here are the sandals. I'll put them back here, fully dusted. And of course, these new Crocs I got. Hot pink, beautiful. Okay, there, stacking them like that is perfect. Okay, so here is the final room reveal. I think it turned out so beautiful and honestly wasn't too much work. Yes, this did take me in real time a lot longer than it does in the video, so don't be hard on yourself if you're trying to do this and it's taking forever. I really hope you enjoyed this video and check out my other ones if you haven't already. And happy very late spring, everybody. I'll see you later. Chelsea? Ah! Brought in, it's so heavy, so I'm gonna get a little help. Okay, so yeah, the mushroom lamp did not come out looking like the picture, so I think we're gonna have to cut it. My package! Everyone in the comments, be honest with me. Do I look good with fake lashes on? Yeah, there's this new like bamboo toilet paper that came out, and I don't know, I've just been eating it up. Like, I know it's like not as healthy for you because it's processed or whatever, but it's so good and it's so convenient. You just like munch it right off the roll.